Good morning, everybody. This is Alex and Prince and Master Odor Removal Tallahasse. We're in Buck Lake in a beautiful little neighborhood here, servicing this gorgeous home. The owners have just moved in a few days ago. You'll see that in a second. And they're complaining about a level 5 cooking odors, curry to be more frank. And this is the house we've already kind of come in and set up. One of the owners is here working, so we're not going to show her in her office. But as soon as you walk in, bam, it hits you with a level 5 curry. You can see it's just an absolutely gorgeous home. The sellers actually tried to paint over everything. They used a beautiful paint. It's really, really nice. But it smells like a level 5 curry. It's so strong, it's burning my eyes. This is the living room area. We're going to have to ask them to get this cardboard out of here because that's a big odor magnet. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and service the ceiling, all the kitchen area real heavy. We'll figure out whether this microwave needs to be replaced. You can see the cooking oil, the curry oils in the white cabinets right there. That's not a fade, that's actually oil. It's probably on top of the cabinets as well. So we'll service on top all the cabinets, the backsplash, the entire kitchen area, obviously the floor, the ceiling, and I'll show you the rest of the house real quick. And this is the master. You can see they're just moving in. They really didn't want to take their mattress out because they didn't want it polluted by the curry oil. All right, we'll do this carpeting for them. Here's their master bath. Again, you can see they're just moving in. Again, beautiful crown molding in the ceiling. Just a really terrific design. You can see how many air filters, air fresheners they have here in the house. They're almost in every outlet to try to get rid of the curry oil, but that's a cover-up. That's never going to work. So what we'll do is we'll do the ceiling. We'll try to treat these blinds. We don't normally guarantee blinds because they're a major odor magnet, but we will try to service them, and I think we'll have some good luck with that, no problem. The ceiling fan should be just fine. And then for our next step, I can't really show you that because it's in the attic. It's in the garage area. We're going to go ahead and service the air conditioning, which is obviously incredibly important. In any odor situation, but we're gonna have to go up in there. There's stairs that drop down and service the coil. All right, that's really basically it. Me and Prince, we're gonna get to work right now and service this beautiful home. It's about 2,000 square feet. And once again, we always thank you for viewing, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Have a good day.